What if I told you that there's one exercise that can transform your body, boost your strength, and leave you feeling like a superhero? That's right, we're diving deep into the almighty deadlift. The deadlift is like that secret treasure hidden in plain sight, so powerful yet often overlooked. So, stick around because we're about to unveil the amazing transformations your body can go through when you embrace this workout wizardry. First up, let's talk about muscle building, especially for you guys out there. The deadlift is like a shortcut to Muscle City. We're talking testosterone and growth hormone levels skyrocketing, which means you'll be packing on those gains like nobody's business. And it's not just about looking like a powerhouse. The deadlift also works its magic on your posture. It's like your body's personal posture coach, helping you stand tall and proud. But here's the kicker. The deadlift isn't just another exercise, it's the exercise. It engages almost every muscle group you've got, from head to toe. So, if you could only pick one move to rule them all, make it the deadlift. Have you given the deadlift a shot? Hit the subscribe button with the notification bell on. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's get the conversation rolling. Now, let's chat about the fat-burning sorcery this exercise brings to the table. Studies have shown that the deadlift can help you shed those extra pounds, so if you're looking to trim down while getting strong, this is your golden ticket. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, is it safe? Well, rest easy because it's one of the safest exercises around. Drop that weight if you need to, just be ready for a bit of noise. No need for a spotter, and it's a relatively low-risk workout. And there's more. Your arms get in on the action too. Your grip strength will skyrocket and you'll be amazed at what your arms can do. Plus, your body is going to throw a hormone party after a good deadlift session. We're talking more testosterone and growth hormone, which means more muscle growth, better recovery, and even some fat-burning action. Oh, and it gets better. You can fit the deadlift into almost any training routine, whether you're on a split program or going full body. It's versatile, my friends. Now, I won't sugarcoat it, there are a few cons. You've got to nail that technique to avoid injury. Not great for those with certain health issues. And you'll need some carbs in your life, but the pros far outweigh the cons. So, ladies, don't fret. You won't suddenly turn into the Hulk by doing the deadlift. Embrace the strength, posture, and spine support it offers. Alright, I've spilled the beans on the deadlift's awesomeness. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on.